Hello guys, how are you today? In this video I am going to show you how to unbox the Sony MDR XB-450 stereo headphones, extra bass. Take off this thing. Now you can see that there are two boxes here. Two boxes and another black box. Take it off. You can see the headphones. Take off this cover. Remove this thing first. See the headphones. It's not soft, these are very soft. And an L-shaped pod, gold plated. Just remove this to expand it. And I bought it from Flipkart, 1500 rupees. See, it's non-tangled. It cannot be tangled because everyone is facing that problem. Very nice. See, it can be moved backwards and frontwards. These are very comfortable. You can see the surface. Scratchy sound occurs when scratched on it.
That's it, guys.
I bought this red color because red is my favorite.
Honey, MJ,
These are very good earphones with extra bass, and I bought this from Flipkart for 1.5k, and I suggest you to buy this because I've seen many reviews. So that's it guys.